And here it is, folks. The Greenworks electric 20-inch, 12-amp electric lawnmower. This is not a rechargeable. This is actually a corded unit. Fortunately, I have plenty of extension cords around here. So I'm gonna unbox it and take a look and see what it's like. Okay, let's pop it open. See how they package this thing. Gotta move it around a little bit. And we can see it's all compressed in there very nicely. This is the grass catcher. And it's packed in pretty good. I'll see about getting it out of the box. It's kind of heavy. Okay, and let's go ahead and see if we can. Here's our grass catcher. It's a beautiful bright green day-glow color. And here's our instructions. Here's the mulching panel. You put this on the side and it mulches, or you adjust it upward and it will shoot the grass to one side, or it can go into the grass catcher. Either way, pretty nice design. There's your push button that starts it. Here's your power cord, 2.0 12-amp. I bought it from Montgomery Ward catalog. It was, if I remember correctly, $300, but I added the discount coupon from the Honey app, which is attached to the browser at the time of purchase, and it knocked about $50 off the price. So I got a fairly good price on it, because Montgomery Ward catalog normally charges a little too much for their items. But I actually got a good deal with the Honey app. It saved money, and all I paid was extra was shipping and the tax, sales tax. Okay, and now I've attached the handle with power cord with these connectors on both sides. You can loosen these connectors and fold the handle over for storage. This is what the machine looks like, still in the box. And I'm going to get it out of the box here in just a moment. This, by the way, is the safety bar. I'll take the tape off of it, and when you squeeze it, the motor will run, and when you let go of it, the motor will stop. And that's one of the advantages of having an electric motor lawnmower. Even though it has a cord that could get in the way, it's got more power, generally speaking, than the cordless type of mower, because the batteries can run out pretty quick. So this should do the job. Okay, and we finally got it out of the box. And we're getting ready to fire it up here in a moment. Here's our adjustment of blade height. This is the mulching attachment. And on the back is the trap door where you mount your grass catcher if you're going to mulch. Now, if you want to use it as a side throw, here's the side throw that replaces this unit. So it's very complete. This is a steel base, not a plastic base. There is some plastic here in the housing, but other than that, it seems to be very well made. And that's it, the Greenworks 20-inch, 12-amp lawnmower, electric corded lawnmower. And here it is, folks, already a little dusty and dirty from my pre-test drive. And we started by hitting this button first, and then closing this unit here. And it starts. not too noisy, not as loud as a regular lawnmower, and it ain't smoking, just a little dust. Let's get over here and hit some grass. Works pretty good. I got to adjust the height. Other than that, it's great. And there you have it, folks. The Greenworks 20-inch 12-amp electric corded lawnmower works pretty good. Mulcher and bagger and side discharge all in one.